Hey guys, I'm so excited because there are some new features in Seesaw that's going to make sharing activities with little learners so much easier. It's so cool. I'm super excited. So I made this little freebie and I'm going to show you how to use it. It's so cool. Okay, so you can do links anywhere in a Seesaw activity now. It doesn't just have to be on the outside by the instructions. You can embed them in your activities. And you can link to other pages within the activity. You can even link to other Seesaw activities. So you can assign a Seesaw activity and then link to it in another document. So this weekly learning plan is going to be such a helper because I know so many people have been talking about how to have all the lessons for the day in one place or all the activities for the week in one place that kids and parents can easily access it. So I am going to show you the weekly learning plan that I just created. If you look here, these are the teacher instructions. This shows you how to edit this to make it work for your class. So when you share it with your class, you'll have to change the instructions, but that's all listed on there. So let's go into the activity. We're first going to copy and edit it, and you can go into the template. So the first page is the weekly learning plan. And you'll see if I click on this little link, it'll take me to the Monday page, or it'll take your student to the Monday page. Say it's Wednesday, they just click the little link next to the day of the week, and it will take them to that day's activities. Now I'll show you how to add activities to each day. Click on the link to go to the day you want. When you get to this page, you can add links to 6 different activities. And then students will be able to see the activities all in one place. So for example, say we're learning about the letter G. I can link to a YouTube video. If I just copy that, go back in here, you go to the 3 dots, click link, just paste that. And unfortunately, the videos are not embedded yet. I hope they do that soon, but it will take you to the external link, but it'll show you the picture. So just resize it so it fits in the box. I recommend putting the link, make sure the little link goes right on top of that number. I think that'll be helpful for students. They'll just know, click the number 1, and that's the first thing they do. So I'm going to lock that so that when they click it, it will take them right to that web page. And you can do like a safe share or whatever. Then maybe I have a book in Epic I want them to read, all about the letter G. You can copy the link and go to the 3 dots, click link, and you can paste it. Now the picture isn't that cute and I can't find a good way to change it. I'd love for it to just be the cover, but for now I'll just use this. Then make sure you lock it. Then the student will click on the link and take them right there. Now I'm signed into Epic, so it went right there. They would probably have to log in from that spot. Let's say I want them to do a Seesaw activity. I would go to my library, and we're talking about the letter G, so I'm going to find my G activity. And the first thing you have to do is assign it to the class. Once you've assigned it, you go back to the class view and click on the Activities tab. Click on the 3 little dots and click Get Student Link. You can copy it. Then you come back over here, 3 dots, do the link. Now this is the bummer part. It doesn't show the activity, which I really wish it would. So what I would do, instead of having that ugly thing there, I want them to be able to see what the activity is. I would go to my Seesaw activity. And I'm going to open the template. For this activity, there's a video here. I don't want the video, I just want the template. So I'm going to click on the template. That'll pop up. And then if you right click, you can save the image to your computer. Then you can come back to the weekly learning plan. Click on the camera, click upload, and there's my downloaded image. We're going to open that, resize it to fit. Now this doesn't have the link on it, so we have to add the link. And you can just do that by clicking the three dots. Click the link button, then paste the Seesaw Activity link and tap check. We'll lock that in place. Now if I click on that, it's going to take the student to Seesaw where it's been assigned. Then they can click add response. I feel like that's the most brilliant thing Seesaw could have done. It's going to change everything. I'm so excited about that. So you can continue to add more activities, and then when you're done, tap check. You will need to change the activity name. You don't want it to say weekly learning template. So I might say weekly learning August 17th through the 21st or whatever. And then you can type your student instructions. 1, open the activity. So that they know what they're supposed to do. Then you save it, and then you can assign it to your class.